Afsar Yusuf sir also came along with our dignitaries. Jahangir bhai also followed with our dignitaries. So please welcome our chief guests and dignitaries along with the sir. Please welcome them, children. Stall members, welcome them. And you can start your boni with them. Come on, luck of token. You have to start them. So I request all the VIPs and dignitaries encourage our students. So these are the future entrepreneurs. This is the practice for their future. How to make their life easy while earning. Learning through earning. So we are heartily grateful to the chief guest and the main dignitaries, those who have came to our occasion.
चलो बच्चों इधर हटो साथ में दो ये तो सामने तो कुछ भी नहीं आता.
Mr. Kiran sir and Venkateshwar sir Garu also arrived to our occasion. I request students, please welcome them to their stalls and please give the information about your stalls.
Telangana Vice President.
Afsar Yusuf Jai Saab also came, Telangana Secretary. Vice President also arrived to our occasion. So it is a very great achievement for us for having these all dignitaries in one.
festival. Every girl, they will prepare something and getting here for food festival. But it's a good occasion everybody will get an opportunity in the hotel management. Everybody get a job. Nowadays, hotel management is a big subject. Other degree it will wait for some time, but once you can get a hotel management, immediately you will get an opportunity for job. Or 5-star hotel or 3-star hotel, everywhere you will get an opportunity for girls and boys, everybody. Where in my Amberpet, the DD colony, there is a hotel management, central government college is there. There are a lot of girls and boys every day. Every 3 years they will come here, all over India. So today I am really happy our Kabir has a good job. Once upon a year there is a agriculture land. In 50 years back I came to here for the puja, and there is a well also was there, big. So this is a opportunity for everybody. They are getting houses and also schools. Today I am very happy. The good occasion has called for Kabir. I am really congratulating to him, and also your best future. You prepare good thing and you will get a job in hotel management and get suit, everything, and can request what you want like that. Receiving also you will get opportunity for reception. This is a good opportunity for everybody. Anyhow, best future for my girls and boys to go in a good way, and you will get a good job, and you prepare more things, because not only that tomorrow you will get your mother and father, you can say that various subject also, not only chicken, mutton, everything you should get. This is the opportunity to take opportunity for given Kabir. I want to really congratulating today. Lot of marriages are there, ma'am. I can't say here. Every marriage I can go now. Otherwise, we will say that Hanumantrao is not attended. That's why I came in a first, because our friends, they are requested first you come to the. Otherwise, girls how long they can wait? So that's why I came here. Anyhow, my best wishes for everybody. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your inspiring speech. In spite of your busy schedule, you have given time to us, sir. We're thankful to you and Zamir Bhai, Rafiq Bhai, Jahangir Bhai, and newly elected Vice President, sir. Thank you very much for attending our food festival. Thank you, sir.
Right, thank you.
चलिए ग्रुप पिक्चर ले लें.
ఫెస్టివల్కి ఇక్కడికి ఇచ్చేసిన సోదరిమణి చేతన హరీష్ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా తోఫిక్ గారికి, మరి రఫీక్ గారికి, ఉపేందర్ గారికి, ముఖ్యంగా మహమ్మద్ కబీర్ గారికి నేను ప్రత్యేకంగా అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఈరోజు ఎంతో చక్కగా ఇక్కడ ఫుడ్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. అంటే పిల్లల్ని ఇప్పటి నుండే అంటే వాళ్ళలో ఉన్న సృజనాత్మక నైపుణ్యాన్ని వెలికి తీసేందుకు ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు మరి ఏర్పాటు చేయడం ప్రత్యేకంగా నేను కబీర్ గారిని మరి ప్రత్యేకంగా నేను అభినందిస్తున్నా. మరి ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు ఇంకా మరిన్ని చేపట్టాలని ఈ సందర్భంగా కోరుతూ, మీరు ఏ కార్యక్రమాన్ని చేపట్టినా కానీ మరి నేను ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీకు అందుబాటులో ఉంటానని ఈ సందర్భంగా తెలియజేస్తూ, మరొక్కసారి మరి పిల్లల్ని కానివ్వండి, విద్యార్థులని, మరి స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యాన్ని మరొకసారి అభినందిస్తూ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తాను.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation, and thank you for Chetana madam. In your busy schedule, both of you attended our function, and whenever we invited you, you never said no. And once again, thank you for both of them. Thank you, sir. Right.
जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं आसपास बहुत कोलाहल मचा हुआ है। जैसे कि हम फूड फेस्ट यानी भोजन मेले का मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। चलिए सारी दुकानों से परिचित होकर कुछ सवाल जवाब करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Parents, if any parents wants to share their views about today's event, they can come on to the dais. Very good afternoon, parents. If any parent wants to share their views, they can come on to the dais. They can give a media bite. Yes, sir, can you share? Please come.
Everyone to please gather for Food Fest here and make it very amazing here. And yeah, a number of varieties are here and you can try. Very tasty and marvelous here. And I'm just...
Good afternoon everyone. Muhammad Nuruddin from 8th class. I'm father of Muhammad Nuruddin. मैं Nuruddin का father बात कर रहा हूँ. ये पूरे रामनगर में फर्स्ट टाइम जो फूड फेस्ट करे पूरे स्कूल्स के लिए इंस्पिरेशन है. ये समथिंग डिफरेंट है, सीखने को ज़्यादा मिलता है इसमें. तो बच्चों को उनके पेरेंट्स कैसा करते क्या वो भी सीखने को मिलता. मैं भी एक सेल्समैन हूँ, तो मेरे बेटे को भी पता चलता कि उसके फादर कितना मेहनत करके जो है उनके लिए करते हैं. उनके लिए ये इंस्पिरेशन है. गुड थिंग.
Yes. Thank you very much, sir, for inspiring your speech. Sir said that even children will learn. Thank you very much.
I really thank you, Kabir sir. And my both kids are studying in this school. My elder daughter, she's studying in the 7th class, and my son is studying in 4th class. I really appreciate, sir. This is a big encouragement for the kids, those who have, like the salesmen will come outside. It's a good motivating for the kids. I really appreciate, really thank you for you taking this and giving this opportunity for me to share all the food and the different cuisines are here. I tasted, and all the students are showing the dedication towards how to sell the product. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Badri sir, for your valuable speech.
Good afternoon, Vaishnavi School students, teachers and management, Principal Kabir sir. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఫుడ్ ఫెస్టివల్ చేస్తున్నారో చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది. ఇది ఇంత గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్ అయిద్దని మేము ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇంత అనుకోలేదు. బట్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ కన్నా ఈ ఇయర్ చాలా చక్కగా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. చాలా వెరైటీస్ కూడా పెట్టారు, మల్టిపుల్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ పెట్టారు. చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉన్నాయి, వెరీ రీజనబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఇలాంటి ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఫుడ్ ఫెస్టివల్ చాలా చేయాలని కబీర్ సార్ అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ని కంగ్రాచులేషన్ చెప్తున్నాము. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ కబీర్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. ప్లీజ్ సార్.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to everyone, children and parents. So my brother kids Aisha Fatima and Ikra Fatima are studying here. I thank this management for making our children to enhance their skills in each and every aspect. Not only this food festival, they are participating in each and every aspect what you are organizing in this organization. I thank Principal sir, Mohammad Khadir sir, and all the staff members who are teaching my kids, Aisha Fatima and Ikra Fatima, and I thank each and every parents and children who are participating in this food festival and making this event as a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Inspirational words from you. Thank you very much. And any parents? Still, if any parents wants to...
Good afternoon all. I think event is successfully going well, and I request continue the same in future also. This is very good for students. They can increase their knowledge as well as activity, and in future it helps to give a good boom in future life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Please.
Working for Vaishnavi Olympiad School for the last 10 years. This is my second event, which I am seeing for the second time. It is successfully going on. I appreciate the efforts put in by Kabir sir and his team. I congratulate Kabir sir, and I wish the same will be continuing for the years coming. All the very best. congratulations to you once again, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, madam. Saida, madam.
I really Good morning, everyone. I am the student of 4th class of Vaishnavi Olympiad School. Welcome you all to our wonderful food fest. We are very excited to have you all here. Today we have lots of delicious dishes prepared with love and creativity. This food fest is not only about eating food but also about learning teamwork, sharing and trying new flavors. The purpose of our food fest is to encourage healthy eating habits and to give students a chance to show their cooking and presentation skills. We have different food stalls like snacks, desserts, healthy food, traditional food, games and stationery shops. Please visit each stall and enjoy its varieties. We request our teachers, parents and guests to support us with your encouraging words. Thank you.
రెగ్యులర్గా ఉంటాయి. కొంచెం భిన్నంగా పిల్లలకు దగ్గరగా పిల్లలకు ఫెస్టివల్ డిష్ వేసుకొని ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్
బిజినెస్ చేయాలనేది కూడా కొన్ని కొన్ని థాట్స్ వస్తాయి పిల్లలకి. చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇది. ఇలా ట్రై చేయడం పిల్లల్ని రియల్లీ ప్రౌడ్ ఇయర్స్. లాస్ట్ 3 years నుంచి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ ప్రైసెస్ కూడా చాలా బాగున్నాయి. ఇదైతే పిల్లలకి బాగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తాను. ఐ రియల్లీ లైక్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
Any child who want to give a feedback, share your valuable words, please come on to the dial.
These parents also. Okay, keep it up, sir. Congratulations.
items under cupcakes team, that is Samarin team. 1233 rupees is under Madhushri and team. Oh, now whatever products we are selling, it is because of any 65 completed, Paneer 65 is also completed. Veg, non-veg, both are competing. Very good, well done. Now we can see how many have completed with their selling things. Yes, now children are in a demand. We have to have a snap with the chairman, sir. Yes, definitely. Wait for few moments.
Of it, 1,000.
Wow, they have calculated and they are having a profit of 1,000 rupees. So your products were pav bhaji, cutlet, chaat items, everything they are able to sell and they are able to gain the profits at a very early age of below 10. Very good, excellent skills. A profit of 1,460 rupees. Very, 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 very good. Well done. Extraordinary, mind-blowing. Good. Keep it enthusiasm all over time. Chaat items are rocking. They got the profit of around 1,700 above. Chaat, bhel puri, which they are gained irrespective of food items. So all have exposed their talent.
Games. Thank you parents for thank you parents and students for visiting our stall. Thank you.
Thank you. Extraordinary teamwork in every team. Each team was composed of around 4 to 5 members. High in demand. Many students are coming onto the stage and taking photos with sir.
Stall name Vaishnavi, Little Chefs of VOS. We got profit 3,000.
Non-veg rocking. See all children over completed. This onion pakodi counter closed, completed.
My stall number is 29. I will be very happy for Samrin teacher. She helped me a lot from the morning onwards. Thank you, Samrin teacher.
With the coordinator's help only, most of the students have showcased their culinary skills and business tactics. A big round of applause to all the coordinators of entire. Kindly take home. If you forget, management cannot take any responsibility as we all are busy.
Selling masala puri and bhel puri. I got profit 1,500.
All puri items are sold off. Now no puri at home till 1 week. You have tasted the...
Thank you parents and students.
Son Pap is available here, including all types of varieties. Thank you all the children for showcasing your cookery skills and making the... Now another team again on the dais completed successfully with a huge amount of profit. Let's have a look at them.
Our team chocolate rolls. Thank you.
Yes, definitely this shows nothing has to be and guide them in a proper manner. Let them learn all the caliber on their own. Completed with selling items of food stalls. Parents, family members, interested people can come out to the stage and have a snap. Are extraordinary. Kudos to entire Vaishnavi students. We will announce your stall name along with your item.
सलाम लेके आ रहा हूँ मैं।
Now, the VIP of our high school, that is the
Halim, next biryani. I and personally Kabir sir tasted the biryani and halim. It was next level. So I would food festival. You can do it for a next level. Next you can get a profit in the next. Now last but not the least, I want to say you are standing over from the 6 or 7 hours. So like you have tested the patience, how your mother is preparing in the kitchen, how she is maintaining the all over the households. So you got an idea how your mother is suffering from this all this leg pains, back pains. This is not for this, is only for you. So respect your parents. At last I want to say you have to respect your parents. You have to obey their words. Don't discourage them. So lastly, thank you. Best of luck.
Very well said, Amal. Yes, definitely the mother has put on all the efforts by showcasing her cookery skills, and father has dropped all the items here and took care of the participants. So hats on.
And see all around. There is an incredible dishes, isn't it? And our students has to showcase their skills. Very fantastic opportunity to show their skills, and they learned about their culture and make our school community so vibrant. And I am so happy to all the participants to make this event success. And thank you. Enjoy everyone. Thank you everyone.
True. And soon we can see a number of stalls are vacated, and we can see a number of stalls are also completed with entire packing things. So whoever are still having items so that you can eat later, you have a number of discounts as well. Stall number 9, Kaddu Ka Kheer, is awaiting for everyone. Please visit the stall. Stall number 22, 24.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Himanshu Katara and today I am going to play Tuna Mera song. I hope you would like it, and please click on the bell icon so that you will get directly notification from my side. Thank you.
3,000 profit.
Aradhya and group got the 3,000 profit, so we are very grateful that Funny Pawan sir is with us. So our Vaishnavi groups of schools chairman Mr. M.A. Kabir sir is felicitating the Funny Pawan sir.
Sir.
As a gratitude of thanking.
Good evening, friends. Let me have your attention, please. Would like to have 2 minutes of your time. Can I? Yes. Say loudly, can I? మీకు అస్సలు బీభత్సంగా గుర్తుండే మాటలు చెప్తా. 2 minutes బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యొచ్చు. ఏంటి ఈరోజు ఏంటి? ఫుడ్ ఫెస్టివల్. నాకు బాగా ఇష్టం. Can you tell me any great scientist names? 5 scientist names. One. Scientist names. Great applause to him. Inka. One more. One more name. Abdul Kalam, great scientist. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Today is his birthday. Today or yesterday? Today is his birthday. 3 names over. 4th name. One more scientist name. That was already over. One more. Einstein. Super. 4th is over. One more. Madam Curie. Super. 5 scientists is more. 5 scientists are over. Now let me tell you the greatest scientist name. Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Can I tell you your mother who cooks food for us every day? She knows mass. The quantity of oil, the quantity of rice, the quantity of water should be added. The amount of flame, how much it should be, and amount of mixture of vegetables are things. She is a great scientist. She knows how much quantity should be added. Isn't it or not? ఎంతమంది మీలో రోజు కుకింగ్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారు? You will learn all the subjects. My humble request, every week at least spend with your mom in one cooking. Then you will learn about mathematics. Measurement anta telustundi, enta quantity tho veyalo. Patience telustundi, observation skills telustayi. సార్ ఓన్లీ మ్యాథ్స్ అయినా తెలిసేది, సైన్స్ తెలుస్తుంది. ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ని మిక్స్ చేయాలి, ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ని మిక్స్ చేయకూడదు, ఎంత హీట్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఎంత లైట్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఎంత సౌండ్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఆ సౌండ్ చూసి అరే అది మాడుతుంది పోరా అని చెప్పేసి చెబుతుంది ఆవిడ. షీ నోస్ ద సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ద కుక్. అరే 3 విజిల్ అయినా ఆపే, లేకపోతే అది మళ్ళీ డైల్యూట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో షీ విల్ టెల్ యూ సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ మ్యాథ్స్, సైన్స్, లాంగ్వేజ్, కల్చర్, ఇరానీ చాయ్, హైదరాబాదీ బిర్యానీ. అర్థమవుతుందా? రకరకాల కల్చర్, సోషల్ గురించి తెలుస్తుంది, హిస్టరీ గురించి తెలుస్తుంది. అన్నిటికంటే బ్యూటిఫుల్ థింగ్ ఏంది అని అంటే యూ కేమ్ టు నో అబౌట్ ద ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ అన్నీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి. ఆల్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. ఆల్ ఆర్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ తెలంగాణ ఆర్ ఆంధ్ర. సమ్ షుడ్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ కేరళ నుంచి రావాలి. స్పైసెస్ అన్నీ కేరళ నుంచి రావాలి, కొన్ని వేరే దేశం నుంచి రావాలి, నీకు వచ్చేవి కొన్ని కలకత్తా నుంచి రావాలి. ఇలా యూ విల్ నో సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ ద హిస్టరీ బిహైండ్ దాట్. బాగుందా బాగాలేదా? ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా. సో నేను మా పిల్లల్ని ప్రతిరోజు అదే మార్కెట్కి తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. హంబుల్ రిక్వెస్ట్ టు పేరెంట్స్ ఏంటి అని అంటే నెవర్ ఏదో మేము స్కూల్లో 1 రోజు 2 రోజులు మార్కెట్కి తీసుకెళ్తాం కాదు. మీరు తీసుకెళ్తే వాళ్ళకి మెజర్మెంట్ తెలుస్తుంది. మీరు తీసుకెళ్తే వాళ్ళు చేసేటువంటి అదే ఇంత కష్టపడితే ఇది వస్తుంది అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. సో కుకింగ్ ఈజ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సైన్స్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆర్ట్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ కల్చర్. ఇట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద మేనిఫెస్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పర్సనాలిటీ. సో నెవర్ టేక్ కుకింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ వెరీ unwanted or very easy task. So who is the greatest scientist? Who is the greatest scientist? So she knows all the subjects. Yes or no? Big applause to all the mothers. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
For your inspiring words. For that only I called you.
Yes, for this only I came.
Yes, sir. And once again I want to thank Funny sir. Directly he came from Shabarimala. In spite of his busy schedule, he arrived and reached to our school. Thank you, sir, on behalf of all the teachers. Right.
తీసుకెళ్ళి
థ్యాంక్స్.